tested. That means if a high's formed on your chart, if the price has not come back up to that level in recent time, okay, you need to make a special note of that because it's going to probably be influential going in the future. Vice versa, just contrarily speaking, you're going to be able to look for the lows that have formed that have not been recently traded to. And that low will be influential later on in future price delivery as well. Note areas on the charts where price has left clean highs and clean lows. Basically, that looks like two equal highs that formed in close proximity to one another. Whenever we see a high go up and form, and then it trades away from that for a little while, and then comes right back to it and doesn't make a new high, or maybe falls just a little bit short, just a little bit above it, I note that as a clean high. And usually buy stops will form above that, and the market will usually come back up there and run through that. It doesn't mean it won't continue through it, but it's usually a big bullseye for price to want to go up into that area. And the reverse is said for double bottoms or equal lows. When a low is formed and another low is equally formed in close proximity to the initial one, that's a big area for sell stops to pull or build up underneath those lows. And the market tends to have a willingness to go down there and test that liquidity. That means the market will go down into that area, whether it continues to go lower or if it goes down there and then reverses. There's conditions that we look for to frame all that, and you will know when to expect the specific conditions. But for now, I want you to start practicing looking for that in your charts and having them noted on your chart. Note what days the highs and the lows form, and this is for the weekly range, and you want to note what time of day that occurs, what kill zone. Is it the high and low of the week forming in London, or is it forming in New York? Because all those things are going to lend well to prognostication and what should happen going forward. And you want to note the daily high and the daily low every single trading day. And